ụmụnne Biafra asị m ka njem opportunity a kele okwu ọnụ na mle na-agba na nchekwa ndị na-echekwara na contribution na ịhụ na anyị na-adị ndụ wee na-emekwa nke afọrọ anya asị m ebe ọbụla onye si na-eweta na support mmaji kwuru maji asị ekele aka gwụrụ abacha onwe ike ịgwọ ọzọ ekelekwara m ụnụ kama asị ka a na-eti ụtọ aka sodatị ka ihe a na-eme nwere ike ịdị n'izuru anyị ha na-eme anyị nwe ọtụtụ enwekwara m ọtụtụ kama ya nsogbu ihe gaba n'anya and ihe gara aga dịka PM si were hapụrụ anya iji anyị dịkwana mma Iho commanders Biafra land anyị ọbụla dịkwana intanet
mount
Have you met no man? Drug, life. The satellite now is seeing you live, so all over the world. I see all the way from Obayi Sekena, Choro Mazia now. I drug himself. I show Mazia, and the mud, the Drashi share. I have one. I see water. I saw Baha, I see Isiobi to Baha, from Obaha to Awanta. They return one back now. Next la fomo let me go now if you drug if you Abuja here if you packet la gbando longo men na azu le shoko na ki iwele we obatakala oba cho unu ezosie aya la papa na una gele ya hospital tende mmadu chariani.
If you want invite me, but if you come for night, say you wear uniform, come for night, you'll be flying.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and wherever you're watching us from. Today being 19th of December 2025, we, the team of Magnetic Gist TV, is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, wow, it's a very happy moment. Why do I say it's a very happy moment? Because now you hear the voice of the Triple G, Igwe Butuzor. Yes, you Triple G, Igwe Butuzor, the General Commander of the Biafra Liberation Army. The one that MNK always greet first before his message. The one that Agent the Yahoo always greet first before his message. And the one that late Commander Holy Ghost always greet first before his message too. Today he has spoken. Now you hear what he said, that all his commanders are intact. So I don't know what else you want to hear. Those of Biafrans here that has been asking the whereabouts of Gentle the Yahoo and MNK, now you can hear from his Oga's mouth that all of them are healthy. They are still alive. Only just that they are lying low. Are you getting me? They are just on low key.
News I will bring to you that on the line, Triple General Igwe Butuzor is on the line. So please, can you hear him as he speaks? General, wow. Please, Ndewo.
Ndewo a na-emekwa anyị nwe mmeri. Ndewo.
Okay, ask him kind of opportunity I like Biafra. Igwe Butuzor, the Triple General, or you see Ashara Nala Biafra. So, Biafra, ask him kind of opportunity I like upon a number number. Not your one in the one contribution when I didn't do when I'm a putting Gafraya. Ask my population what I support. Majo Kurobaji. Asị ekele aka gwụrụ abacha onwe ike ịgwọ ọzọ ekelekwara m ụnụ kama asị ka a na-eti ụtọ aka sodatị ka ihe a na-eme nwere ike ịdị n'izuru anyị ha na-eme anyị nwe ọtụtụ enwekwara m ọtụtụ kama ya nsogbu ihe gaba n'anya and ihe gara aga dịka PM si were hapụrụ anya iji anyị dịkwana mma Iho commanders Biafra land anyị ọbụla dịkwana intanet ka o chekwe n'ọgba agụmagụ ikwuru nọ but I will focus me there. So Kasim Kamura Poshin Kalaquamono, don't nam don so as one of them number Naba, then when I care. No.
Ndewo General, Ndewo General, Ndewo General. Ndewo, Ndewo. Yeah, Biafra, wherever you are, this is the voice of our Triple General, the CDS, Chief of Defense Staff of the Biafran Defense Forces, both land, air, and sea. So he covers everything. So this is his voice. And he's encouraging every one of you to triple whatever. He's a triple general. He's not a double general. He's a triple general. He's telling all of you to triple whatever effort, Prime Minister. So this is a language spoken in as we check out. General. There.
General Ndeo, thank you very much for your sacrifice. All you're doing for Biafra people.
All right.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Our very own Mazi Success. We appreciate you for tuning in tonight and, of course, bringing along our Triple General, Igwe Butuzor. And the message has been passed to every Biafran. It is not just giving, but giving your all is what he is asking for. They are ready, they are there, and they are standing for us. But we have to increase our giving and see and watch Chukwu Kabiama bless us. We need to rise up as Biafrans all over the world. You don't have to wait for a town hall meeting to do your donations. You don't need to wait for Saturday for our fundraisings or our support to do your donations. You need to do it simultaneously without anybody asking you. Give that will cost you something to God, because as you are giving to God. Where I stay here in SA, I live very close to the Jewish community. Every day they are there discussing on how to protect their motherland, which is the Israeli, the Israel country. But here we are at Biafrans. Many of us today have gone for town hall meetings, or should I say, not even town hall meetings, have gone for our various meetings and celebrated and popped champagne. Bring that to your government, the Biafra Republic government in exile, and your freedom is assured. Our Igwe Butuzor has spoken. Do not be carried away by somebody that will tell you that Igwe Butuzor is receiving from them. Come to our Biafra Republic government in exile and do your donations and see the wonders of Chukwu Kabiama. All right, to move on, we call on Chineke. Your hand is up.
We need a let Minister Betty finish.
Okay, sorry.
Before, yeah.
Sorry, sir. On Betty, please continue. Wait.
Thank you, my APM. You see, it's only when I came to talk that my presence brought the good news from our Triple General. Wow. So, my people, what I was saying.
So, Biafrans, the Iseke Vigilante, Ebubagu, comprising with DSX, Army, and other Foxes. Today, you can see that they are patrolling all the streets or the roads of Iseke, looking for the unknown gunmen. So, in this video, you can see that Chidera, Drug, Asabuja, and Nketipa, they are well armed and well prepared to face any challenge that will come to them. So they are using this opportunity to call out the unknown government to come and challenge them. They are also saying that they have even invaded some bushes looking for unknown government, but yet they did not see anyone. They are calling for they are advising the unknown government to come out and accept amnesty, But the fact and the whole thing we keep on saying is this. I know they are referring to the Biafra Liberation Army. Yes, I know they are referring to them. But please, let us unite. Let us unite. We are all Igbos. I'm telling you, we are all Igbos. Even if you are from Niger Delta, we are all Igbos. Even if you are from anywhere at all, apart from Yoruba or Hausa, please, we are all Igbos. Let us unite together.
Okay.
I want to come call up on my comment that you know. What's the name?
Awesome. Okay, I'm talking machine. Say I'm see that.
What you call the number? I say kind of. I want I so by you say kind of map that I want ever. So you say kind of them by the special grace of God. Okay, see to go cool.
I see.
Madalaba, we don't get fly. Eto.
People say man in Dublin.
But mention I'm about you can actually anything about actually kuna agala actually make a lot for na. Le ko kuna gidi.
Man mount.
Abi man no man. Drug, life. The satellite now is seeing you live, so all over the world. I see all the way from Obayi Sekena, Choro Mazia na. I drug himself. I show Mazia Kenya and the mud. The Drashi share. I have one. I see
water.
I saw Baha. I see Isiobi to Baha from Obaha to Awanta. They return go back now. Next la Fumu. Let me forgo now. If you drug, if you come Abuja here, if you pack it back, la one longer men as well. Let shop on Naki, you will wear. Oh, but I follow by Chon, Zosia. I lap banana, I get a house street and the mud. Chariani. Get it back. Huh? That boy, sir. Nah, I'm coming with you in car. Huh? Why do you like it? Oh, you put my bed, dude. Now I get to turn back to Bahao. Yeah, it's okay, and you don't see Imo State. I rule and can DSS. So yeah, you don't like I don't wear like this now. You get soon, you hear na. All road. Yeah, old road not see hala. We got put our word in road cover head. So you know the wrong way free. For motorcycle, for motor, both big lorry, you know the wrong way free. Abuja, I laugh for this boy now. This boy, he laugh for. He laugh for the kiss your. He's too. The kind of headache when they give person. On the moon now, they go slow now. They go. They to mama. Anna. Kabana go free. From here to our is free. All road, the old road, the old road, excellent. Or people where they talk say they want see me, I know they come around. Since morning I dey wow, we dey go back to that place. Now how far?
Even this General Asabuja confirmed it. General Asabuja, you know, one of the time that he spoke about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, people started to, not people, the government started to threaten him that he shouldn't mention anything concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu again, that he sided Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The man came out again to say that all the river states are Igbo people. Hey, internet come blow. Today, he is saying again that even if they want to invite him for all the things that he has been saying, they should invite him directly. But if they come to him at night, whether they wear uniform or what or not, that he sees them as Fulani bandits and he's going to repel them instantly without wasting time. This guy, I love his morale. He no send anybody.
That's why they tell government, if you want invite me, invite me. But if you come for night, say you wear uniform, come for night, you'll be Fulani. Because me and Fulani we don't exchange. Me and Fulani we don't banter. So if you come for night, wear uniform, carry for mine, make the masses know say na Fulani come. Make the masses know say na bandit come. Make them know say na assassin or higher killer come. But to say you want invite me, I go come. But if you come for night, even though you carry patrol team, you know see say bandit, Fulani, then buy them patrol team for not. For not, you know see say they get patrol team. Then buy them healers for not. So if somebody wear uniform for midnight, if it be bandit, if it be Fulani, if it be assassin, if it be hire killer, if it be kidnapper, no follow for night. If you're not genuine, make them invite you to come.
Local news agency, good afternoon everyone. Abono nene pa yaba na buna mmeri ụzọ akwa ihi ala. Bendebe ube gbonwu ebe arụ mere. Shifokwa anu ọzọ ebe anyị nọ n'ihi ala. Family Biafra agburu ọkụ bụ family gburu mmadụ. Ka anyị n'ọnụ nne nwa egburu nwa ya. Good afternoon ma. Biko gwatu anyị afa gị madam.
Afa m bụ Prophetess Eberuba, King of Kings Ministry.
Okay. Onye ozi Chineke nna ekene dịrị gị. Ọ gị ka egburu nwa gị? Ka ihe butere eji wee gbuo nwa gị?
Chajia. Chajia.
Chajia eji akwụ na
Chajia ndị ya ji akwụ ọkụ. Ka nwanne di ma ya bụ
nwanne di ka afia.
Nwanne di m Kenneth Ụba Ụba ka nwa ya nwoke na je nwa m we ka o wee chaja fo nwa m wee bịazie nara ha chaja ahụ. Chaja ka ha jizi wee gbube nwa m kpokpuo ya n'ime ụlọ wee gbuo ya.
O na-egbu ya hosi na chaja ọ bụ nke nwa gị zikọ.
No ha nwe nwa m nwe chaja ha niile na-agbara nwa m.
Hosi na ọ bụzi nwa gị nwe chaja.
Ndị nọsi ebe ahụ ndị mmadụ kwuru na onye nwe chaja bụ nwa m.
O maka chaja ka eji wee tiweze.
Ọ bụcha na o nwe ihe ọzọ kpokpuo ya n'ime ụlọ n'ime room ka ha gburu ya.
Gịnị ka eji wee gbu ya aka ka ha
ji wee gbu ya. Ndị youth were mma ahụ ha ji
ndị youth wepụtara mma eji wee gbu
onye ọbụla fụrụ ya mma egoro ọfụ osopụ ya nkọ mma ya ka mma ekwu eji esi nri.
Nwa gị aka afia
Chisomoba.
How many years ka nwa gị adị?
Ihe ọ dị na is 20 years.
20 years. Hey, obere nwa. Madam biko kasibe ndị local news agency ihe ala. Anyị nụrụ ihe nke a wee sị na ihe nke a nwa na ọ dị ya ntị mma na anyị ga-abịa nụrụ ya because anyị abịagokwa mgbe nwa gị nwaanyị gbara nkwụ n'ebe a. So family gburu nwa bụ family a. So ke ndị youth mere ihe a ndị youth ụzọ akwa bụzi ndị
gbara ebe ọkụ.
Ha gbara ya ọkụ maka na arụ ka emere ihe a.
Ha sị na onye ọbụla sị na arụ ha kwuru na arụ.
Ew. Madam ndiben. Ka ebe nwa gị ahụ nọ kịta?
Ọ nọ na mortuary.
Onye gburu nwa gị egbu ka afia?
Kenneth Ụba na Chukwuemeka Ụba.
Ebe ka ha nọ kịta?
Ha nọ na police station.
Mana nwa gị nọ na mortuary kịta. Arụ emekwana nnukwu mmeri. Ụmụ mmeri ụzọ akwa ihi ala. Ebe anyị nọ n'ụbọchị tata local news na Obegbo family kwụ na anụ ya. Madam biko onye ozi Chineke nna ka ebe anyị ya akọwara gị nwa ma ihe ya agwa onwe gị biko dibe mana BP dị too much dibe ndị local news agency ka bịa kwụọ gị aka n'obi anyị afara na family mere ihe ifena na ndị mmadụ amago ibe mana arụ ka ha mee agbago family ha ọkwa family ha adịghị ha ebe a mụ na gị kwụ ihe ọjọọ ka ha mere dibe o anyị nwasị ka anyị bịa mara ihe mere mana ịkọwacha nna anyị ka o si wee mee maka chaja ka eji wee gbuo nwa gị hei arụ ọ na-ezu ohi chaja sorry ma kasibe jide obi gị aka sorry o woman of God kasibe
gịnị ya nwegoro okwu na obere oge ọbịa gaa na yọba gị ma ọ bịa mejọ ma ọ bụ ndị gbaghara ụmụ obi mmadụ ụwa ka ọ bụ
na Krismas ọnwa mba why kwanụ biko madam anyị nwabụ ndị local news agency si kasibe maka anyị na-alaiki onye na-abụ ihe mee etu ọ kọwapụta ihe mee ndị a na-abụ omeghe ezochie abịago mbe gị bịa vidiyo mgbe nwa gị gbara nkwụ bịakwa ọzọ taa ahịa gbara gị bụ kasibe local news agency ya na-asị gị kasibe ndo sorry thank you ma. Bless you too.
Guys, now you see the reason why Asari Dokubo hates Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so much. This is to recall some of our memories concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the Asari Dokubo, because so many people has been asking us, why did Asari Dokubo hate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so much? Now you can see the reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the Asari Dokubo fall apart. Just listen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as he narrates his order with Asari Dokubo.
Asari Dokubo that I gave money to from inside the prison because he has no shame. From inside the prison, I gave that idiot 20 million naira. I was in prison. He was so poor. I authorized for him to be given 20 million. Our men went to Gwacha. That same bloated pig went and called DSS to go and arrest my men in Iguacha. I hate the money till today. But people have no shame. Did I give you money or not? I was in prison. And I organized the meeting in Cotonou. In your house in Cotonou. With our men. My men to go to Cotonou. They are from all over the world to Cotonou to go and see you. I'm meeting and asked you, how do we proceed from here? You demanded for 200 million naira. You bloated, dirty, filthy, poor pig. Did you ask me for 200 million or not? I don't talk to you, Chen Asiebu, anymore. They are all traitors. Did you not talk to him about it? Did I not give you Chen Asiebu authorization to give you money? How much money have you collected from me? You shameless pig. They are the con artist. Now the guy is a con artist. When you are the one that stole from me, I gave you money for us to do something, have an agreement. You went and called DSS. Yes or no? I'm asking you, true or false. And you're a freedom fighter who is in love with his oppressor. You're in a zoo. You're in a zoo. You're not ashamed of yourself. You're coming out and talking rubbish. I will ask you again. How much money did I give you? Oh, 2016. You said you will organize men. How much did I give you? How much did we give you to support Avengers? When I was in prison, which you ate. Avengers never got the money. And you're here talking rubbish, as always. And my happiness is that the John Nation know who you are. They know you're a traitor. They warned me. They say you're a traitor. And now I know you are. You see, it's called a double agent. You come and say, Biafra. Everybody must be in Biafra. It's a lie. You don't have the Biafra. You don't have the discipline. You don't want to be like all of you fools, living on the crumbs from the master's table. I'll be a very wealthy man. I don't have any need for it. I didn't take money from Nigeria when I was in prison, when I was in detention. Is the money that Igbo man doesn't have that I can take. Who from Joland has given money to IBOB before? Who? I'm asking you. Con artist, con artist. Con who? Or did you steal from me? Did I give you 20 million or not? From prison, I gave the order. Did I give you money or not? Yes or no will do. You're a fool. A very filthy one at that. Instead of you to defend your stupidity
like a reasonable man, if at all you claim you are, you come out and you try to insult me when I'm the one feeding you. 20 million I gave you, cash. Yes or no, true or false. If in that time ask you, all you do is inbox. Namdekan is a scam. Namdekan is a con artist. Hey, somebody who is alive. Now I'm challenging you live on air. If you're a man, this evening or tomorrow, go and publish who I scammed. Go and publish who I conned. Publish it. Say the person's name. But I am trying to let our people understand what their game is. They are not for Biafra. These are double agents. I know them. One mouth is Biafra, the other one is you. If they are fighting for Biafra, they cannot be in Biafra land. They cannot be in Nigeria. They will either be in prison, in exile, or in the grave. That's how you know a freedom fighter. Ordinary Catalonia, their leader is in exile. In Europe, that is apparently civilized. This idiot is somewhere drinking okokoro, talking nonsense, shaking his head like a possessed chicken. Talking rubbish. Trying to malign Nnamdi Kanu. So Igbo men in their natural stupidity will say, oh no, we can't give him money. We don't trust him. I don't know who to give money to. That's why I said go to WIC. I said that the boy saying Nnamdi Kanu is a con man, is a con artist. But Nnamdi Kanu gave you 20 million cash to do something. Did you do something? Yes or no? You called DSS for his men. You still have the guts to stand up and be, that means you have no shame. Woko. Hey, freedom fighting, sorry. Because all these people are criminals, they're saying there is no way this man cannot be a criminal like themselves. They don't have a different breed altogether. They don't know that. I am Nnamdi Kanu. I don't do all this nonsense you do. My father was a very rich man, not ostentatious. I had the finest education that his money could afford. We are not poor. Have never been. That is why a poor man cannot be a freedom fighter. If you're not full of yourself, you cannot be a freedom fighter. You cannot go everywhere. You claim you're a warlord in the creek. Somebody's in prison and get 20 million you took. Believe on that thing you didn't do. I give you money to give to Avengers, you don't give them. Oh, dear me. As I said, the real people died in 1970, not all this chaff you see everywhere now. They want to bring distraction to distract us. All of a sudden, Nnamdi Kanu is a scammer, he's a con artist. And I kept asking myself, but who did we scam? Oh, so you've been fighting for freedom is a scam? The person calling me a con artist was somebody I gave 20 million naira to. In 2 installments. Not the ones I've been giving them before. Do you see how people, you know, once you become corrupt, once you don't know if you're a militant, a freedom fighter, or a rogue, a double agent, your life becomes messed up. You took money from a con artist. Oh, dear. Ordinary pipeline security, people have no shame. A pipeline security guard. Pipeline for one Alhaji woman from somewhere. He said, I'm a militant. I'm a Delta militant. Yes, oh, RM, you are an ordinary security guard, guarding the pipeline of the people you claim are your oppressors. Maybe from there you do small kerosene bunkering. You open the pipe and you collect a little bit. And you're a warlord, you collect a little bit of kerosene, you sell. A pipeline security guard. You do all your conquering, but you still have no shame to take 20 million from me. No shame. No shame. After taking money, you called your Fulani friends in DSS in Igwe to go and arrest my men. So when we asked, he said, oh, I don't know now. It can no longer go ahead. Did you refund the money? Did you refund the money? Toad, did you refund the money? I started for a man, you refund me 20 million I gave you to betray my men. They went to prison because of it. Long detention because you betrayed them. I gave you 20 million naira cash. Return that money to me if you're a man. Return it to me. Because you're a thief. You're a thief. You're talking rubbish. After calling me, you're not calling me a criminal. Can you believe such nonsense? A criminal is not calling somebody as a criminal. Can you believe such rubbish? Huh? You're the one owing me money. You stole from me. Anything I tell you, I give you proof. If Asari is denying that he took money from me, MNK N Asari is there.
So Biafrans, thank you everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Gist TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Share this video, share this video. Merry Christmas in advance. We all love you once more. Bye.